Import TMX to Unity. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening the Windows Start menu on your computer. Type the name of your preferred web browser into the search bar and open the browser from the search results. Inside the browser, type Unity into the search field and go to the official Unity website. Make sure both Unity Hub and the Unity Editor are already installed on your computer before continuing. After confirming the installation, open Unity using Unity Hub. Create a new 2D project because tile maps and TMX files are commonly used in 2D environments. Wait for the Unity Editor to finish loading the project completely before moving to the next step. Once the editor is ready, open your browser again and search for the 𝗟𝗪𝗘𝗘𝗗 Unity importer package. Visit the official 𝗟𝗪𝗘𝗘𝗗 Unity GitHub page so you can safely download the correct package. Find the latest Unity package release in the download section and download it to your computer. Return to your Unity project after the file has finished downloading. Locate the downloaded 𝗟𝗪𝗘𝗘𝗗 Unity package file on your computer using File Explorer. Select the package file, then drag it directly into the package panel located below the Assets panel inside Unity. Wait for Unity to finish importing the plugin and all required assets into the project. After the import process is complete, open your computer's File Explorer again and locate the folder that contains your TMX file along with the tileset images used by the map. Drag the entire folder directly into the Unity Assets panel. Wait for Unity to automatically process the TMX map and generate the required tile map objects. Find the imported TMX prefab inside the Assets folder in Unity. Drag the prefab from the Assets panel into the Scene view or the Hierarchy window so the map appears in the project. Start adding all the assets to the Scene view and organize them as needed. Finally, save the project to avoid losing any progress. While placing the prefab into the Scene view, check that the tiles, textures, and layers appear correctly inside the project. If some textures are missing, confirm that the tileset images were included in the imported folder before dragging it into Unity. You can also move the map around inside the Scene view so it is easier to organize, edit, and test during development later on.